In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add True Momentum Oscillator in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market you like, stocks, crypto, forex, it doesn't matter. What's important is that you can see the main price chart on your screen and you're in the TradingView Pro interface. To start, look toward the top of your chart for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, this is usually near the top of the screen, close to where you select time frames and chart types. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is how you access the full library of built-in tools, community scripts, and premium indicators available inside TradingView. Once the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This is the fastest way to find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box so it's active and ready for typing. If you skip this and just start typing, nothing will happen, so make sure you actually select the search field first. Now type in the words True Momentum Oscillator. Take a second to spell it correctly, because even a small typo can cause the indicator not to show up. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list below. After a moment, you should see True Momentum Oscillator appear in the results. When you see it, simply click on the indicator name once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart, usually in a separate panel underneath the main price action. If it doesn't show up right away, double check that you clicked on it and that you're not on a completely blank layout. At this point, you should see the True Momentum Oscillator lines or histogram displayed clearly. You can hover over its title on the left side of the panel to access the settings icon if you want to adjust colors, line thickness, or calculation inputs. Tweaking these settings can make the indicator easier to read and better suited to your own trading style. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced tools, extended data, and extra indicators on your layout, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link is a simple way to upgrade to Pro while supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. That's all you need to do to add the True Momentum Oscillator in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps, experiment with the settings, and integrate it into your own strategy.